So, you have to play the game, press play, okay? Now you can't press play again at the bottom. See the little blue thing?
You said I can't?
Yeah, press it. No, press play. Okay, you can't go in the black. You have to get to the red without going in the black.
So where am I?
You're in the blue.
Read it. Try to reach the goal without touching the walls.
Try to reach the goal.
And the goal is the red. Try to beat all 4 levels.
Try to reach the goal without touching the walls. Pasta is your hand. Start out. Try and beat it. So go play, right? Okay, now what?
Now move
go to
the
the
little
red,
black
but you
dot.
can't go on the black.
So we can go like this?
Yep.
Yeah,
and
but you
don't
have to go
touch
to the
black.
red.
Go to the red?
Try to get to the red without touching the black wall.
Right?
No, you're in the next level. We gotta get down to the bottom.
But you can't touch black.
Don't touch black.
That's not so good.
Because if you touch the black, then you have to start all over. Good job.
Good.
Try to get it.
Level 3?
Yeah.
Oh man.
You can do it. Come on.
Gotta do some bogus stuff. You guys are up to something.